Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got Proton Saga, and this casting is by Hot Wheels, and I think it's new for 2023. So, I don't know much about Proton. I've heard about it a few times, but let's unbox this casting and see how does it look compared to what we see on the picture, I will say. Because I haven't seen this car in real life, so can't really, have a comparison. Let's open it up. I think it's a company from South Asia. I'm not sure, but it's out now. Let's see. So, first thing first. Red paint, red bumper, red bottom. Hot doesn't do that often. The shape reminds me of those early 90s Corolla and Corolla mostly. They used to have this shape. Even Accord. But yeah, let's talk about it. Let's talk and start from the front. So up front, some nice details. You've got the grille, you've got the Proton badge, got the grid detail. It looks like there's a place of fog lamps, or maybe turn indicators, I'm not sure, but it's nothing there, not painted. The lower grille isn't painted either. Headlamps, it looks like it's like a plastic over there, but I don't know why it's all black. I don't think the headlamp can be blacked out, so maybe needs a bit of detailing. The black, it's all black. Yeah, I'm surprised. Why would you do that? So big flat hood. You got the windshield wipers. This is for the windshield fluid to be sprayed. You got mirror on both the sides. It's a very boxy car. If I go into the driver's side, before going there, if I see the interior, even interior is very boxy. I can't really figure out the steering wheel. Oh, it's there. So on the driver's side, now I'm sure it's a South Asian car because the steering is on the right side. So on the side, you can see this black body line going from all the way front to the back. You've got the door handles, keyhole, Hot Wheels Saga. Its name is Proton Saga. Even the flares are like very squarish. It's from like early 80s, 90s car. You might have seen these wheels on few of the Hot Wheels. I don't know how appropriate they are here, but they are kind of mimicking the older steel wheels with hubcaps. So I think better than the 5-spoke or multi-spoke one. Even the windows are very squarish. Even if you see the door handle, and the door are like very square body. Moving to the back, well, it's a red car, but still I don't think the tail lamps are detailed. It's all red, but yeah. No details there. You've got the keyhole for the trunk. You can see the stop light mounted there, the black one. You can see the two headrests for the rear seats. Nothing special here, no antennas, nothing. Yeah, and if I'm not wrong, this part of the bumper was also black, like on the actual car. Might be because it was on most of the cars from that era. They had like black bumper here. Yeah. So on the passenger side, almost identical. The only difference being the fuel filler cap here. So it's a decent casting, I would say. I haven't seen the car in real life, so I can't really compare with it. But still, for a mainline, it's a good casting. Needs few touch-ups, some add-ons, maybe outline on that tail lamp, and it will look even better. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.